Welcome back. In this video, I want to talk a little bit more about TrickPlay files, what they are and how to generate them. TrickPlay files are an industry standard for a while now. They basically are smaller image shots of your video content that a user can see when they scroll over your navigation item menu. On YouTube, for example, we can see things like this for a long time now. As of the end of last year, Roku made mandatory user-provided TrickPlay files. They did generate these files for all videos in the past, but starting with the end of last year, they will not generate any more TrickPlay files for longer videos than 15 minutes. So the developer is required to approve them, or provide them, sorry. Unfortunately, some of the TV networks do require it as a mandatory requirement, others do not yet. But sooner or later, all of them will require developer-provided TrickPlay files. How to actually generate this strictly files? Go to Google and search for the BIF file generator software and you'll see tons of results and tons of programs. I personally use this one because it's for Windows and I work on Windows. It's extremely easy to use and most importantly, it's free. You can just go to the website, download the software. Unfortunately, it's only for Windows, but you can do the same. Just search for Mac and you can find other solutions as well. Download, install and start the software. You can add folders or you can add files one by one. For the purpose of this demo, I prepared one video file. Make sure that the video is only one word and please don't use any spaces or special characters. It will be easy later on for you when you need to generate the file URL. Select the format you want to use. Let's say we use HD now. Click Start and wait for the file to be generated. Depending on your video length, it may take seconds or it may take a couple of minutes. The longer the video is, the more time it will take to actually generate the file. When the file is ready and generated, you'll see a pop-up letting you know that it's ready and asking if you want to delete the files. Here is the pop-up. We'll click Yes. Close the application. The generated file will be in the same folder as your video file. In this case, it will be here. You can see the video and your TrickPlay file in the same folder. All you need to do now is take the file upload to a VPS or dedicated server. Remember, these files will be used every time the video will load, so basically you'll need the same quality of hosting that your video files require. So choose a VPS or a dedicated server to host them on an account, or a VPS or an account on a dedicated server. Upload the files and generate the links. You can use the same technique that I showed you in the video about the video links. For a video file link ended in .mp4, in this case the file will end in .bif. This is the ending for TrickPlay files. Please remember, don't change the file names the TrickPlay file needs to have for the same title as your video, otherwise the Roku or Amazon player will give you errors. This should cover everything about TrickPlay files. I hope it was easy to understand and will be easy for you to generate and use the TrickPlay files you need for your TV channels. See you in the next video.